Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This is the first video for 2023 and I certainly hope that you have had a wonderful Christmas break and that you are going to be making money this year in trading. This video we are going to talk about why you shouldn't rely solely on trading. It might actually be counterintuitive because you're thinking like, wow, I make lots of money in trading, so why shouldn't I just rely on it? But it will make sense as we continue with the video. If you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing so that you do not miss any of our future videos. Go ahead and leave your thoughts and comments in the comment section below. I enjoy hearing from you guys. Also, if you are looking for forex robots, indicators, books and stuff like that, see the links in the description box below. You can download free forex robots, free indicators, free courses, free books, everything that you need to become a good trader using the links in the description box below. Everything that we do on this channel is for free. Okay, so let's talk about why you shouldn't rely solely on trading. By the way, what you are looking at is me trading volatility 75. I've been trading synthetics since around 10 December up to now. Why? Because basically the forex market has been quiet, and if you probably tried to trade it, you probably also saw how difficult it was with no movement, because let's face it, the big guys that move the markets were out of the markets. They are busy enjoying their bonuses in the Bahamas, in the Caribbean, and you can tell even by the spread that your broker was charging you. Because there's no volumes in the market. So why should you risk your money when the guys that move the market are out of the market? So I've just basically been focusing on synthetics. Synthetics, they don't care whether there is any news or whether there is the synthetics. You can trade them 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, including on New Year, including on Christmas Day. They are artificial instruments, so they are not really affected by real world events. So I've just been trading those just to get some lunch money and stuff like that. So getting back to the topic of our video today, the problem that I've seen many people doing, and I think in this year you need to also try to address that, is they go into trading and they use trading as their sole source of income. I used to do that when I started trading because I thought, well, you can make a lot of money in trading, so why would you want to do any other thing? You just make money in trading. By the way, I'm not trying to impose my own opinion on everybody. Feel free to do what works for you. The problem then came when you get those losing streaks. You understand what I'm talking about? Let's face it. Here we're going to be real. I'm not going to lie and stuff like that. Every trader will probably have a losing streak at some point. So the problem then becomes where trading is your only source of income, and now you get caught in this losing streak. Then the end of the month is coming up and you're probably now worried about school fees, about paying the rent, about paying your bills, because you are in this losing streak and trading is your only source of income. Now you're in trouble. That's why I encourage people. I think on this channel you've heard me talking about my other side businesses. I do web development, I do graphic designing on the side, and there's some other investments that I also have on the side, properties and stuff like that. I believe every trader should really think about this. You need to actually take the money that you are making from your trading and find avenues where you can invest it, either in business or in investments, so that it doesn't become your only source of income. If it only becomes your only source of income, you have not done anything. What you have just done is you have taken your 9 to 5 and you have replaced it with your forex trading. That's where you find people are gambling in trading. Why? Because they are trying to make their rent, they are trying to make their bills, they are trying to they take any other setup. They are not patient to wait for their setups because they are looking at the calendar, like, it's almost end of the month, I need to do this, I need to make money, because it's their only source of income. But when you have other sources of income, you are free to wait for your setups to develop. You are free to, when you are having a losing streak, to step off the market a bit and recollect your mind and see what is going wrong, because you are not under financial pressure. That's what you want to do. Having side hustles other than trading is so that you do not have the financial pressure that will lead you to panic and start taking those bad trades, because you are after the money, you are after paying your bills. So here's what I would want you to do in 2023 and going forwards. Really, don't just rely on trading as your sole source of income. Yes, it might be lucrative, it might be making you lots of cash, but what you want to do is you want to diversify. That's the secret to these rich guys. These guys that you see making money all over, they don't just have one source of income. They are doing somewhere, they are holding this this investment, they are holding their money in there, they've got some gold that they are holding there, they've got some stocks they are holding there, and then they are trading somewhere there and stuff like that. Because you don't want, if the forex market is in a dire state and you are having trouble making money, to be panicking as it is your only source of income. And that would destroy you on psychological level, because now you're thinking, I need to make this money, I need to make this money, and you pressure yourself to not wait for your trades to develop. You do not wait for those setups to develop, because what you're just thinking is, it's end of the month and I need to make this money. So find ways where you can take the money from your trading and invest that money and make that money also work for you on the side, so that when you are in the market and your setup is not there, you are not worried about bills at the end of the month. You are not worried about paying your child's school fees. You are not worried about food on the table and stuff. You are at least patient to wait for the good setups, and you are only able to take those good setups because it's not your sole source of income. Tell me what you think about this. Leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.